How to log into TikTok if you forgot your password and email. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can log into TikTok if you forgot your password and your email. So just make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you in case happen to forget your password and email on TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and open the TikTok application. You can still log in using your phone number because TikTok doesn't really require you to have a password and email in order to start watching TikTok. For that, first of all, come to the profile page by tapping the profile icon from the bottom right, tap the sign up button and tap the login button from the bottom of the screen. Now here just select use phone, email or username, but since we do not remember our email address or username that we can find it over here, our email, username or password, we will log in using our phone number. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and then actually enter the phone number that was associated with your TikTok account here. Once you make sure that the phone number is correct, just tap the send code option. Once you tap on the send code option, it's going to ask you to verify with a basic captcha. So you might want to just go ahead and verify this captcha here. Then it is going to send a verification code to this TikTok account or maybe to your messaging application to that phone number. Once it receives the code, it is going to verify automatically if your phone supports it, and then now you can see you can simply log into TikTok even without that specific phone number. And that's it on how you can log into TikTok without password or email. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.